Welcome back everyone. Today we're gonna see a Meesho review. Meesho is one of India's largest online reselling and shopping platforms, primarily targeting small businesses owners, resellers, and budget-conscious shoppers. Founded in 2015, it has gained massive popularity for offering low-cost products, zero-commission seller policies, and a platform that's accessible through both app and website. Meesho also allows users to buy for themselves or resell to others via WhatsApp, Facebook, or Instagram, making it a popular choice for work-from-home entrepreneurs, especially women. It has millions of products in fashion, home, beauty, kitchen, electronics, and more. Low prices, often cheaper than Flipkart or Amazon, and mostly unbranded or semi-branded products. Users can share product images and descriptions directly to WhatsApp or social media, and resellers set their own profit margins, and Meesho handles delivery. Also, Meesho does not charge commission from sellers, enabling them to offer competitive prices, and it's suitable for small sellers and local manufacturers. You have cash on delivery available and hassle-free 7-day return policy on most items. The app is available in multiple Indian languages, increasing accessibility in Tier 2 and Tier 3 cities. While Meesho offers great value, it's not perfect. Here are some common downsides. Many items are low quality or different from the listing images. No strict brand standards due to a marketplace full of local or unverified sellers. Also, slow or unresponsive customer service, especially for returns and refunds, and difficult to escalate complaints. Shipping can take 7 to 10 days or more, especially in remote areas, and no guarantee of one-time delivery. Product titles and images may be inaccurate or exaggerated, and some users receive wrong or fake items. So Meesho is great low-cost platform for shopping and reselling, especially for people looking to make extra income or buy budget-friendly products. It's best used with realistic expectations about product quality and delivery time. It's best for budget shoppers, resellers, small-town users, and people looking to start a home business. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.